Keep removed parts and tools dry and organized during a rainy day outdoor air conditioning repair to avoid lost items and wasted time. Start by establishing a single protected staging area near the worksite where you place all removed components in the order they will be reinstalled, using labeled boxes or clear tote bins. Use individual part bags and a waterproof marker to tag fasteners and small components, so nothing gets mixed up when visibility is poor. For tools, employ dedicated tool bags or plastic bins with lids that allow you to quickly move everything under cover if the weather worsens. Keep commonly used items in the top compartment for immediate access. Lay down a waterproof mat or tarp under the unit to prevent parts from getting muddy and to provide a visible contrast for small pieces. Work in logical groups by subsystem so you can reassemble by reversing the removal sequence, and take brief handheld photos with notes for complex arrangements to eliminate guesswork. Finally, as soon as the job is complete, or if you need to pause for an extended period, stow all boxes and bags back in the truck to protect them and to keep the site tidy. The three most common mistakes are leaving small fasteners loose on wet ground, mixing parts from different assemblies, and underestimating how quickly tools and paperwork can become soaked. When fasteners are dropped, immediately collect them into labeled bags and secure the bags inside a waterproof box so they do not wander. To avoid mixing parts, always separate assemblies into distinct containers and mark each with where it belongs using clear, simple labels. So reassembly is straightforward. For paperwork and manuals, keep a waterproof clipboard or a sealed plastic sleeve so you can reference wiring diagrams and notes without risking ruined documentation. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and contractors find work by listing project types and service areas so people can connect. We also host a discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot scenarios like rainy day outdoor air conditioning repairs.